Okay, now in this video, I am going to show you how to use Google Translate if this is something that's necessary for you to change the entire language of Examscreen into a different language. So, if you're a school in Wales using purely Welsh language for an exam, or in Scotland if you're using Scottish Gaelic, if you are a school elsewhere in the world who wants to use Examscreen in a different language, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the first thing that you need to do is just up here you'll see I've got some two toolbars in I'm using Chrome here as a browser, and I've just downloaded Google Translate, the plugin for Google Translate. So if you go to Google Translate plugin, and then you can install it onto your task bar here. Now, I've put in an exam here, just manually typed it in, and my wife reliably informs me that this is the Welsh word for English. So I've put in Saesneg, and I've made it an hour and 30 minutes. Now, you'll see if I save this, then obviously it puts that exam in Welsh as I typed it, but everything else is still in English. So if you want to convert the whole screen into Welsh, you're going to have to do something different, and this is where Google Translate comes in. Um, okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to just click back into edit mode for a second, and then I'm going to click on the Google Translate button. I'm going to click translate this page, and at the moment it's just set on English. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to Welsh. So I'm going to say change that to Welsh like that, and now you'll see that a lot of the information has changed. I'm just going to save it like that, put it into full screen. So now you'll see that the time, no, it's not just the title that's in Welsh. The timing is in Welsh. The start, finish. It says 24th of October in Welsh. It says centre in Welsh. So and all the button information has changed as well. So you've changed the whole screen then into the Welsh language. Okay, so you can obviously do this with any language that you want. I know, for example, we've got a few schools in the Netherlands, so you could change it into Dutch like that. You could even some schools in India we've got. So if you wanted to change your Examscreen to Hindi, you could do something like that. Put a start time in. Okay. And it really is as simple as that. The only thing that you can't do is remove this Google Translate toolbar. That will have to stay there. But once you've got everything in full screen, it's not really too much of an imposition. Um, so yeah, so that's how you do it. Also, if you've got exams that are preloaded into your own exam catalog, you can also apply Google Translate to those as well. So yeah, this is a really essential tool if you're an international school, you're a school that wants to run exams in a different language.